Hello everyone, happy Halloween and welcome to another exciting Adobe ExtendScript QuickTip tutorial. Today is kind of an exciting freebie and I'm just going to be giving away a free script to you guys to be able to use, take a look at the code, learn from it, and just have some fun. So I have this pumpkin generator script that allows us to create a customized pumpkin using whatever shape of eye we want, using whatever shape of mouth we want, and then adjusting the glow colors. So we can just pick some settings and click on generate, and it's going to create that pumpkin with exactly the settings we've selected. And if you want, you can go in and look at the code, adjust some of the shapes or processes that are going on to make the script even better for yourself. So in this quick tip, I'm just going to be going over the script really quick, how it works, and some of the code inside that you can adjust yourself. So the way it works is it doesn't care if you have a composition open or whatever. It's just going to generate a new pumpkin composition with the shapes that you've selected. So you can create a scary, frowning, smiling pumpkin with any of the settings you want, and then go in and adjust them later. And inside of the script itself, what we have are a bunch of shape objects, one for the pumpkin masks. These are basically just a bunch of solids with masks applied. And each one of them has its own shape that has the vertices and tangents, all for 1080p comps. So if you wanted to say add some more options, you could add another shape, say a hexagon shape. And then once you put in all of the information with the vertices, the in tangents, and the out tangents, just like up here, then we can add it to our shape array and bring it down into our eyes drop down. And in fact, while I'm here, now that I have an array with all of these, we can just fill it in right here. And then for the other drop down, we have our mouth shapes. And as you can see, that's going to make it an object shape. So I'm going to duplicate this and say mouth shapes names. I'm going to say frown, scary, and smile. And then I'll just copy and paste this up here and change these to triangle, square, and circle. Now that way, whenever we add a new shape, we can do it up at the top of the script here instead of having to go back into the actual UI and adjust it down there. So now we can just change this to the names and make sure all of our variable names are good. And now we have our triangle, square, circle, and other shapes inside of here. So you can go in and add more shapes if you want. You can check out the import and export mask tutorial on my channel. I'll put a link to that in the description so you can export these masks yourself in this format. And then as you go down, you have the UI. If you want, you could add more elements to it. And then everything is just shoved into a generate button on click function where we generate the solid layers, apply the masks that we've selected based on the drop down selections, and then apply a glow effect, and then open up the composition after all of that. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This week was just more about giving a freebie away, showing some code, and having some fun for Halloween. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to be notified of new uploads coming out every Monday and Thursday. And of course, as always, we'll see you next time.